Creating a beautiful and comfortable home doesn't have to break the bank. With a little creativity and strategic planning, you can decorate your space stylishly and affordably. Here are some practical tips for saving money on home decor and furniture without compromising on style and quality. 1. Set a budget. Determine your spending limit. Before you start shopping, decide how much you can afford to spend on home decor and furniture. A clear budget will help you make informed decisions and avoid overspending. Prioritize needs versus wants. Identify the items you need most and prioritize those in your budget. Focus on essentials first, then consider additional decorative items. 2. Shop secondhand. Thrift stores and flea markets. Explore thrift stores, flea markets, and consignment shops for unique and affordable furniture and decor pieces. You can often find high-quality items at a fraction of the cost. Online marketplaces, websites and apps like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and OfferUp are great places to find gently used furniture and decor. Be sure to inspect items thoroughly and negotiate prices if possible. 3. DIY projects. Upcycle and repurpose. Transform old furniture and decor into something new and stylish with a little DIY effort. For example, repaint an old dresser, reupholster a chair, or create wall art from reclaimed wood. Craft your decor. Make your own decorative items like throw pillows, curtains, and wall hangings. There are countless DIY tutorials online that can guide you through various projects. 4. Shop sales and clearance. Seasonal sales. Take advantage of major sales events like Black Friday, Memorial Day, and end-of-season sales to score discounts on furniture and decor. Clearance sections. Always check the clearance sections of stores for deeply discounted items. You can often find great deals on last season's styles or slightly imperfect pieces. 5. Buy multifunctional furniture. Space-saving solutions. Invest in furniture that serves multiple purposes, such as a sofa bed, storage ottoman, or a dining table with built-in shelves. These pieces can save space and money by reducing the need for additional items. Versatile designs. Choose furniture with versatile designs that can be easily incorporated into different styles and spaces. This ensures longevity and adaptability as your decor preferences change. 6. Negotiate prices. Bargain. Don't be afraid to ask for a discount, especially if you're buying multiple items or making a large purchase. Many retailers are willing to negotiate, particularly on floor models or slightly damaged items. Ask for discounts. Inquire about any available discounts, such as student, military, or first-time customer discounts. You might be surprised at the savings you can secure just by asking. 7. Use coupons and cashback offers. Coupon codes. Search for online coupon codes before making a purchase. Websites like RetailMeNot and Honey can help you find the latest deals and discounts. Cashback apps. Use cashback apps like Rakuten or Swagbucks to earn money back on your purchases. These apps can provide additional savings and make your budget stretch further. 8. Mix high and low. Splurge strategically. Invest in high-quality staple pieces, such as a comfortable sofa or a durable dining table, that will last for years. Pair these with budget-friendly accessories and decor to create a balanced and stylish look. Affordable accents. Shop for affordable accent pieces like throw blankets, decorative pillows, and wall art at discount stores or during sales. These items can refresh your space without a significant investment. Decorating your home on a budget is not only possible, but can also be a fun and rewarding process. By implementing these tips, you can create a stylish and comfortable space without overspending. Watch more of our videos and start transforming your home today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share your own money-saving strategies for home decor and furniture in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe to Financial Fresh Start for more practical advice on budgeting, saving, and stylish living. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. By being strategic and creative, you can decorate your home beautifully and affordably. Happy decorating!